Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabrielle Nicole for y'all that don't know me. Today I am going to be doing an how-to or a tutorial, whatever you want to call it, on winged eyeliner. This is a requested video. I'm so nervous because it's like whenever I try really hard to do wings, that's when I can't do them good, and it's like when I don't try, that's when I do good. So we will see how this goes. Hopefully I can do it. You know, I'm believing in myself. So anyway, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment if you would like, and thank you so much for watching, and let's get started. Okay, so when I do winged eyeliner, I either take tape or I take like any other random object around me that has like a fine edge. So in my opinion, I think that the best way to do winged eyeliner is to find a product that works best for you. When I first started doing winged eyeliner, I actually was using the e.l.f. pot. I don't have it anymore. It's a gel liner and it works so good and it stays on forever. I didn't have a brush that was good enough, and I really didn't know that much about makeup when I started doing wings, so they weren't like perfect, but it was a start. But that is something that maybe if you do have the right brush, that would be easier for you. It all is just personal preference. I think that my favorite thing, and the one that helped me get the most successful wings when I first started doing wings, is like the pens that are like this. I feel like those are probably the easiest, just because you just kind of, and you're pretty much done. Like, you just start at the tip and then you just flatten the brush as you go down. I will not be using this today because this is not what I currently use, and I would probably do a terrible job right now if I started to use this. Now I started to use liquid liner. I have the LA Colors liquid eyeliner, but I'm not going to be using this one today, but this is what it looks like, and I'm just giving you like a cheap good option. I think I paid like $2 for this or something. But today I will be using the NYX matte liquid liner that is like this. But there are lots of good eyeliners. I feel like you really just have to find what works best for you and what's easiest for you. But without further ado, why can't I ever, like, I can never talk when I'm making videos, ever. I swear, it's so weird. Like, I can have a perfectly normal conversation with somebody and it's fine, it's all good, like, I'm great, you know, I'm not stuttering over my words. Okay, and in my personal opinion, one of the things that I've really noticed that people tend to struggle with when it comes to the wings is the placement of them. You know, a lot of people don't really know where you should put your wings. Like, I mean, there's no wrong way to do makeup, so I'm not trying to come across like that. So what I was always taught is that when you are going to do a wing, you would want to, like, I'm using a sample bag right now, but when you go to do a wing, you always want your bottom line for your wing to match up right here with your bottom lash line. So as you can see, that's where mine is. So now I would draw the wing right here, but I'm going to bring it down just a little bit because you don't want it to be like touching your eyebrows. You want it to just be like slightly under your eyebrows, but still lined up with this. So let's start. Okay, so there is my first line. It looks really messy, but just trust me because I cleaned it up. Now what I want to do is go through and do the rest of the eyeliner, and then I will come back to the wing. So a little messy, but yeah, I'm gonna go back over it. Okay, so now that I have done that, now I go back through and I do the top line. Okay, so that's it. These are our wings. I'm just kidding. Okay, totally not. That would be so terrible, right? Okay, so what we are going to do is clean our wings up now that we have applied them. So obviously we have our basic shape for our eyebrows done. And now what I do is I just take concealer and I take my concealer brush, put some under like this, just like I do for my eyebrows. And then I just come right underneath here. Oh, I need to fill that in more. Okay, and I just come on under here and I just go wham, wham, wham. I'm just gonna go through and touch it up with the eyeliner. Okay, and then back through with concealer. Okay, and one more time with the eyeliner. They're not 100% perfect. I can never get mine 100% perfect, but you guys wanted to see this, so here it is. That is how I do my wings. The best way to get good at wings is to just keep practicing and keep doing them, but hopefully it helps you so you can try to make yours close to perfect if they aren't perfect already. But thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you soon. Please subscribe to my channel.